Hey everyone. If you've created a duplicate invoice or a client canceled an order, you need to get that off your books so your revenue numbers stay accurate. Today, I'm showing you how to find and delete an invoice in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to Invoices. First, go to the left-hand sidebar, hover over Sales, and click on Invoices. This will take you to your full list of all sent and unpaid invoices. Step 2. Locate the invoice. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific invoice you want to remove. Pro tip: make sure the status column doesn't say paid. If it does, you'll need to delete the payment link first. Step 3. Open the invoice. Once you find the right one, click on the invoice line to open it up. Review the details one last time to make sure this is definitely the one you want to get rid of. Step 4. Select the delete action. Look at the bottom navigation bar of the invoice screen. Click on the More button. A small menu will pop up. Select Delete. Step 5. Confirm deletion. QuickBooks will ask if you're sure, as this action cannot be undone. Click Yes to confirm. If you'd rather keep a record of the invoice number but want it to have zero value, you could select Void instead. But for a total removal, delete is the way to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.